The 2025 Nobel Prize for Physics was recently awarded to these guys for letting us see quantum effects with the naked eye. This story begins with the tunnel effect, one of the weirdest effects in all of physics. If you take a quantum particle like an electron and send it towards the wall, it will most of the time rebound and come back, but sometimes when the wall is thin enough, the quantum particle could actually go through the wall and pass to the other side, almost as if there was an invisible tunnel that let it through. The Nobel Prize winners replicated the tunnel effect, but they did it bigger, to the point where it can be seen with the naked eye. This was all possible thanks to superconductors, materials where electrical resistance vanishes, making them conduct current perfectly. So for this they made a sandwich, but not like the one you have in mind. This one uses two layers of superconductors with a thin insulating barrier in between. This setup is called a Josephson junction, and when you apply a voltage to this circuit, the tunnel effect actually takes place across that insulating barrier, with pairs of electrons tunneling right through it, even though classically they shouldn't be able to. And here's where it gets really wild. If we measure the energy of this sandwich circuit, we find it shaped like increasing discrete steps, something we normally never notice in everyday physics except in atoms. In other words, this sandwich circuit is behaving like a single giant atom, with billions of electrons acting together quantum mechanically rather than individually. Years ago, scientists struggled with quantum systems and had to wait days for them to reach stable temperatures near absolute zero, but now they could use these metal circuits and electricity to observe quantum effects, something much more accessible and controllable, opening the door to a whole new generation of quantum technologies we're only beginning to explore.